Good afternoon, guys. How are you? Did you miss you? I missed you. So this is me heading to the bus stop to work. And guess what? My dad came. And my mom's just, as usual, being mom. So yeah, everything's stressing out. So yeah, and I'm literally had a good shower, feeling good and everything. But of course, when mom wakes up, every mood goes to black and white. So yeah, that's what happens living with a anxiety and depression person. A little bit narcissistic as well. But I still love her. It is fine. I thought I would shower and feel much better, but no, I don't. Because people don't give me have a proper shower either. Anyway, 49 bus is here right now. I could catch that and get to work. Or wait for 33. Let's see what do we do. Actually, I'll wait for 33 because that will take me straight to where I need to be off. I have to catch 2 buses with a 49. Oh my god, that's so cool. 49 is never full. That's a bit odd. Huh. Anyway, let's not talk about it. I am so pissed off about today. So yeah, what a lie. Oh, I just want a better day, but when it comes to family, I feel like I'm Klaus Michelson and I'm ready to kill. That's all. So yeah. Oh. Actually, I should have gone on that 49. Doesn't matter where I went. If they come this way, which they won't because the car's facing the other way, so which is a good thing. They might end up coming this way. Let's see. But yeah, I just can't be bothered with family sometimes. Anyway, I had a shower today. I look so fresh and everything. So yeah. But I thought after showering I feel much better, which I am by 5%. So I had my inhaler. Oh yeah, I need to try my blue inhaler and see what happens, eh? So yeah. Just a life of the time of my time. I don't know, guys. Sometimes I think this was destiny. It was so good that everything's written before, but you sometimes wish this was not written before. But yeah, that is destiny, and we should be happy. Whatever we get, and it's God's will. So yeah, let them shout at each other. Anyway, yeah, bus is coming soon, but even so, I am so tired. At least tomorrow I can sleep till 1. So then I will freshen up. My cough is not getting smaller. Let me try blue inhaler and I'll see if anything improves. Because I do feel it's something to do with my heart or lungs. I know it's one of them. And you feel so squeezed up somehow. It also had the pink one. I felt a little open. So that shows that it's something to do with my asthma, definitely. So I'm going to have my blue inhaler and see what happens. So I'll chat with you tonight, guys. Hopefully my health gets better. Alright guys, this is me in my vlog. I have been coughing all day. And trust me, my cough is so loud. It's like anybody could hear it. See, I can't speak because of this cough. But I got a wee haul for you. So I got these coconut ones. Mud mask. And they were $3 for $99. And they were star buys as well. So I was thinking to wear them next week somewhere. for 2 weeks' time. So now we've got more and one mask, that's all. And then I got my mum's oil, which is this, her hair oil, which is essential coconut oil. That's what she wanted, coconut oil, so I got her coconut oil. So yeah, it's just a wee haul. Nothing else today. Trying to do TikToks and everything. But because of my cough, it's really hard. And it's like, oh my God, seriously cough. Do you have anywhere else to go? But with me, I had some coffee. And tell you the truth, I feel gassy. And that's a good thing. Because maybe it's the gas that's not letting me breathe or, talk properly. Or because of the cough that I think it is like, could be. Anything could happen. But I pray that I get better soon. Or I'm going to have cold coffee from McDonald's. Like, Rappy, you know me. Because that's the only place I could think I could have cold coffee. Actually, does Nero? Is it Nero or Nairo? I don't know. Have a cold coffee? Maybe I'll try there. But yeah, I could have had a free, high tea, but didn't want to go that far. Well, I don't want to add tea today, so yeah. Don't know. I need to do something to fix myself. So I'm trying exercise as well. Like, simple exercise. Like yoga types, you put your arms up, put it aside. Is there something on my hair or is that my ear? There's something on my hair? No, it's just my ear. Oh my God, my ear is quite big. I didn't realize that. Sometimes you don't realize something, then you just, because you have it covered, and then boom, huge as ever. Oh my goodness. I'm not old yet, and I've become about big ears. Gosh, embarrassing. Anyway, let's not talk about my big ears. But yeah, I need to exercise a lot. I need to walk about a lot. I need to do a lot of stuff a lot. So that then my breathing could go regular. Could be just because I sit down quite a lot, but there's nothing much to do outside, tell you the truth. Even if you go for a fresh air walk. So going to stop my cough, is it? It might make it worse because, I felt like this since the day I walked back to my house, to my grand's house. My nan's house. And trust me, it is a very much of a mission. And I needed a toilet as well. So, I don't know. Could be a chest infection or what. Anything could happen. But I've been drinking so much water. I've been having my inhalers as well. So, anything. I tried coffee. I could feel a little bit better. Like, I don't feel breathless or anything. Or I feel that because I have a gas somewhere and it's kind of like stuck. So it's not coming out as normal as it should. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It could be gas or it could be anything else. It could have been my asthma. You don't know. I do need my blue inhaler, so I might email the doctors tomorrow and try and get some prescription, and hopefully by Friday I should get blue inhalers, especially the blue ones. I need more blue ones. My blues are so old, they don't work. I don't think they have that much pressure to give me that, But let's see. Tomorrow I'm gonna try. Let's see what happens. Might get a soup as well. I'm gonna go to Sainsbury just to get a soup. I know. It's like a mission and a half, but if I feel better, I feel better. You know what I mean? I don't know, guys. I seriously don't feel well after this. Well, at least I don't feel sick. That's the most important thing. Usually when I'm ill, I do feel sick. So I'm kind of blessed I'm not feeling sick. But I do feel gassy, which is not good for me. And you also got asthma. It could get worse. So, 5 for 5. Anyway, I might call the doctors, but I think I need new inhalers. I have to throw the old ones away, especially the blue ones. As I said, they don't have the, I don't know, pump I need. It's really hard to breathe. I tell you the truth, it's really hard to breathe. Let me breathe. That song's in my head now. It's Sean Paul and what's her name? She's quite big as well. Tell me you love me, tell you love me. I'll get the lyrics there. But you know what song I'm talking about, right? And the song's called Breeze. Breeze. Well, let's not sing because I have cough. See? Twice. Anyway, let's end the vlog. So, I'll take care, like and subscribe. And hopefully, tomorrow be today will be a better day. Like and subscribe, guys. And hopefully, I feel better tomorrow. Good night, guys.